1998 LS, beautiful Lexus. Fuel trims are good. 5 parts per million on hydrocarbons. CO2 is beautiful. O2 great. CO good. NOx a little high, but good. We're gonna do air fuel inductive cleanse. Clean the airflow sensor. Let me show you the setup. The key is to have a slow drip. So fill it up, slow drip into the intake at about 19,000 miles per RPM. At your foot pedal, set it nice and slow, let it clean out the intake, valves, shoot it out, clean up the cats. Again, fuel trims are beautiful. Make sure you got a clean air filter, which we do, and we cleaned our airflow sensor and did a throttle body service as well. Hope this helps. Grab a Smog and out.